Okay, so this is about the part three of your final culminating in-class assignment review. When you are doing this, you have to actually use this program to make the whole process easier for you. So this is about the discount and your final payment amount, including your HST. Again, remember your HST is 13%, 1-3. So you have to apply that after your discount. Okay. So when you are doing it, to find the program, you need to go to the Google Classroom under the classwork and go to the calculators and programs, and hopefully you see that Unit 2 discount and sales tax HST calculator. You tap that and then go into the program that I posted, or the link. And when you are looking at it, you don't have to change anything, just put it in a discount mode. Whatever the price. So if the price was supposed to be $1,000 as a regular price, and then the percentage off is whatever that's listed, and then let's say that's 30%. Just to find the price after discount, but before the sales tax, you then have to put nothing for the sales tax and then calculate. So the amount that shows at the bottom is that your price after the discount is $700, and your tax will be based on that $700. So then to find the final price, including the tax, now you click the sales tax and put 13% and calculate that again. And then it shows you how much of the actual sales tax you have to pay and what the total amount it is going to be. So if you are looking at your review practice, we already did this, but I'm just going to use this one again. So when you look at the Unit 2A, the very first one, rent, let's just go back to the information, the worksheet. So when you are looking at it, it shows our cost per month for the rent is $1,500. So your initial price has to be $1,500. So for the price, oops, for the price, you have to put 1,500, and then the discount percentage off, hopefully you see it, it is 35% over here, right? So you are taking 35% off. So you are benefiting from that. So 35%, so put 35. And the next one, it says cost after discount. So we have to leave the sales tax part empty or zero because it's not asking us to find out the final cost with the tax. Then we calculate. So in that case, our total payment is 975. So your cost after discount is then 975. And your final cost with HST is then again, the HST is 13%. So make sure you put 13%. How do I do this? Sometimes it kind of doesn't work. So let's just go back and then go to the classwork. Unit to discount sales tax, and then financial calculator. Sure, that's fine. And go to the Safari, and we know that that was $1,500. And I don't know why there's a small little thing comes up. Um, we don't have any option. Hmm. Okay, so what if I have 3,000? Does it work that way? Oh, it doesn't work that way. No. Why is it doing this? There you go. So for the price, we know that it was 1,500. The percentage off was 35%. Sales tax, remember, is a 13%. So we then calculate this. So after our price after discount being 900 and I believe 59, we do not have to put that again separately. We just need to put the sales tax of 13% again, and it does calculate everything for us. So the total payment, including tax in this case, is $1,101.75. So 110175. So 1101.75. That is it, right? That is it basically. Now, for the essential and the non-essential, and again, remember this, essential is something that you need to survive, such as housing. So rent is part of housing, right? Clothes and food. These three are essential. Rest is pretty much non-essential. So your laptop is non-essential. Utilities, we do need that for our house, right? We do need electricity, water, and on to live in the house. So that is actually essential. Loan could be somewhere in the, it could be either of, because when you borrow, you have to pay it back. So it could be sometimes essential and sometimes non-essential, depending on how it is used. Butler service, obviously, it is not, right? It is nice to have, but you really don't need that and on. Okay, internet, obviously it's not. Clothes, yes, it's essential. Phone bill is not. Social life, well, it's good to have, but if you don't, that's fine. You will still survive. So it is non-essential. Food, well, good luck surviving without food, right? So it is then essential. Okay, so let's do one more example again. Let's take a look at the laptop. It's a $700 and 50% off. So go back to the calculator. Whenever you see these kind of screens, just close them. And it was $700 and 50%. So change it to $700, 50%, and we're looking for the cost after discount. So then leave it zero or empty, and you calculate. And it tells me the price after the discount is 350. So 350. And then after tax, so for this, we have to put 13 for the sales tax amount and calculate. It gives me the total price after tax, which is 395.50. And that is it pretty much. That's how you do 395.50, right? That's how you actually do the discount and the sales tax. So hopefully it reminds you of how to do it. And if you have questions, let me know. Okay, bye.